Today somebody cooking for me. Hi.
Hello, baby.
Hi, it's my cooking man.
Hello, YouTube people.
What do you cook for
Welcome
me
to
today?
my cooking show.
What
Today we are making chorizo burrito. Chorizo and reframin.
Is some Mexican food, right?
Mexican food, yes. Mexican food. So good. So good.
Yeah, today Shane make dinner for me after he finished work and went to gym, and then he has to come home and then cook for me.
Never ending.
Yeah, so me just stay home, not do anything.
Just look pretty.
Yeah.
Well, not even that.
Just look pretty, not even pretty, not even. Just look at his face. Really? Yeah. Just let you know your voice is so disgusting.
Oh, I knew that.
Really?
Okay.
Okay. So what you need?
Tortillas.
Which one?
Tortilla shells.
Tortilla show.
Tortilla shells. Tortillas, but it sounds
Flour.
Flour.
Flour. Okay, just mean like make from flour.
Yes.
Flour. Tortillas. That's
Tortillas.
That is Mexican accent. Huh? Okay, so now it's done. Okay. Okay, so this is you need to make it hot first.
Yeah. I actually like these as hot as you can get them. You know, with holding them with your hands. I love these hot.
And then let them burn a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo, but it's hot.
So how about if I use my pan? That's one also work too.
Sure.
Okay, so okay นะคะ now this
Not too much.
not too much.
Looks like poop. You thick.
Okay,
Full
this is my dinner today. Wow, you're so good, honey. You're good cooking. Wow, look pretty. That looks pretty.
I know how to get these hot. Do you have metal tongs?
Like yes, I do. Bean and pork.
Bean and chorizo.
Bean and chorizo. Chorizo is like a ground pork.
Chorizo sausage. Spicy sausage.
Chorizo sauces ก็คือเหมือนไส้กรอกอะเซริโดไส้กรอกแต่ว่าเขาไม่ได้ทำเป็นไส้กรอกค่ะ ก็คือเป็นเหมือนแบบเป็นหมูบดอะแล้วก็มีเครื่องเทศเนาะ so they mix ingredient like a spicy and honey that's burn already the burn แล้วก็น่าจะมีเป็นพริกน่าจะเป็นพริกสดด้วย they have some chili fresh chili no
Oh, probably, I'm sure.
so not sure what they mix
I like, this is my style.
honey
Messy. I'll eat this one.
I know you eat but that is like a burn on the stove and a small pieces there okay เนี่ยค่ะผู้ชาย
See, like that. I like it like that.
ผู้ชายคุกก็จะลกๆแบบนี้นิดนึง I say when man cooking is like it's like a messy yes it's a little bit messy different than lady but sometimes when I cook Thai food is everywhere is messy because use a lot of ingredient you know we have like spicy no wow they look good they look yummy วันนี้สามีทำกับข้าวให้กินค่ะทำอาหารเม็กซิกัน He cooking Mexican food today. Ew. Not too much is not good. When you bite, when you take a bite. Yeah, look at the way that he wrap. Ew. I should be wrap snail like that, huh? Hey, the last one. Maybe Joey this one. So Joey can eat this? No.
Maybe it's spicy.
It's spicy. Yeah, he's gonna poop all night if he eat this. Right, Joey? Woo, woo, woo. Look at this. Look at that boy waiting for food. Look at his face.
Okay.
This is
Easy. 15
Sherry show. I don't know how to pronounce. My pronunciation is maybe not correct. Chorizo, because it's the Mexican word. And now it's done. So I'm gonna try one. So, do you want some too? You want one? You want one? Do you want one? No, you cannot eat, baby. You cannot eat this. Oh my god, look at baking time. It's good, honey. It's so good. So good. Right? Not spicy.
Doesn't have much flavor.
Hi, baby. Want some? Not spicy. I think you can eat. Look at your ear. Look at this ear. Want some? Chorizo.
The longer you keep the peppers and onions in there, the more spicy it makes it.
Oh.
So I'm not. It's got.